Now let us understand about the non-charge floor stock system. Here, the non-charge floor stock drugs are the medications or the medicaments that are placed at the nursing station for the use of all the patients on the floor. These are quite economical and commonly used drugs. These drugs, there shall not be no direct charge from the patient's account. So it's non-charge floor stock system. These costs are included in day-to-day expenditure of the hospital. It is divided into two methods. The non-charge floor stock system is divided into two methods. One is the drug basket method and other one is mobile dispensing method. So non-charge floor stock system is divided into two types. One is drug basket method and other one is mobile dispensing method. This on the top ladder we can see on the right hand side, this is drug basket method. And at the bottom we can see it is mobile dispensary unit. Okay. Now let us understand about drug basket method. Drug basket method. Nurse fill a requisition form. She is filling the request form, which is said to be as a requisition form for delivery of medicines at their floor, along with the quantity required, how much quantity is required. So she is filling up the request form for the delivery of the medicines to the floor, along with how much quantity is required. Later on, nurse places empty container and requisition form in the drug basket. Then it will be sent to the pharmacy department. The pharmacy staff fills each container as per the request by seeing the requisition form, and it will be delivered to the floor via messenger service. Okay, this is the classical representation of drug basket method, where we can see on the right hand side. So the nurse is filling the request form for delivery of medicines at the floor, along with in the form she is specifying how much quantities are required for the patient. Then nurse places empty container. She is placing the empty container and with request form in the drug basket, which will be sent to the pharmacy department. The pharmacy staff fills each container. We can see the containers here. Okay, the pharmacy staff fills each container as per the requisition form, as per the request which has been written. Okay, and it will be delivered to the floor via messenger service. This is the example of drug basket method. Okay, let us move on to the mobile dispensary unit, where we can see here this is automated dispensing cabinet, automated, fully automated. Now what happens in mobile dispenser unit? It is a specialized constructed stainless steel. Okay. Now it is plastic type of automated, the modern one. Again, it is specialized constructed stainless steel equipment. About 60 inches height, 48 inches width and 25 inches deep. And it is mounted on the bottom tires. Okay. This unit is operated by the pharmacist. Okay, the pharmacist is operating this unit, which is called as mobile dispensary unit. It is mobile. It is not the stationary. We can take it from one place to other place. Okay. The pharmacist left the carbon copy. Okay, what the pharmacist? He will leave the carbon copy of the request sent by the nursing unit. On the pavilion has a record of delivery and its original is returned to the pharmacy again. What the pharmacist is doing, he will leave the carbon copy of request. One copy will take, the carbon copy will be left, and because the request sent by the nursing unit, what all the request, how much drug, which all the drugs, which all the category, which all the requirement, I mean the quantity, and it is because he will leave one copy of the carbon copy and it will be sent to the pavilion as a record of delivery, and original is written back to the pharmacy. Okay, so in this way the mobile dispensary unit, it works. So the pharmacist has to maintain the carbon copy, and because already it has been dispensed to the inpatients. Okay, so already which the request form has been generated by the nursing unit, all the pharmacist will be delivering everything in a neat and correct manner, and he has to send it, already it has been dispensed now. Now here we can see the label for non-charge floor stock pharmacy, the classical label we are seeing now. Now the example would be the ferrous sulfate tablets. Each tablet contains ferrous sulfate 0.3 grams, okay, from the pharmacy. So this is the label for non-charge floor stock pharmacy. Here we can see the word, and here you can see the tablet, and here you can see the contents. What is the contents? That is ferrous sulfate 0.3 grams. This is the label for non-charge floor stock pharmacy. Non-charge floor stock drug label. Now we can see some of the one table that is listing out of non-charge drugs. Okay, we have seen the label for non-charge floor stock drug. Now we are seeing the list of non-charge drugs now. It has been divided into 5 types now. Here on the left side we can see ampoules, capsules, tablets, solution and powders. Different categories. Coming to the ampoules, adrenaline, digoxin, lidocaine and aminophylines. Capsules, Delcolax, multivitamin capsules, Digitalis in capsule form. Tablets, atropine sulfate, paracetamol, nitroglycerin, all in tablets form. And solution, that is belladonna, castor oil, tincture, benzoin compound, elixir, potassium chloride, and lastly the powders, glucose, sodium bicarbonate, talcum powders. Okay, this is the list of non-charge drugs, whether it may be the ampoules, capsules, tablets, solutions, powders. Okay, solution may be anything. It may be oil, or it may be elixir, or it may be the tincture, the benzoin compound.